Welcome back to the old barn on Ann Street. This is the Saturday edition of the barn raising week. It's been an exciting week, but today it's a climax for the week. We finally get to see the concrete poured. So let's get right to it. So today's an exciting day because the concrete guys are coming and they're going to pour the back pad in the classroom. This has been great. We've had it ready for a few days, and now there's a number of the next steps that we can finally do once this is done. So they're coming in just a few minutes. They're going to pour this back slab, and we're making progress. It's exciting, exciting, exciting stuff. Here's the pad all ready to be poured. The gravel is down and level. There's a vapor barrier taped off. This is going to look great. So here it is, the finished product, the floor in the classroom, the cement floor, the slab that we poured. So excited. Took a lot of work to do all of this. I mean, you've seen it. We tore out the old floor, we broke it up, and dug down 6 or so inches, lowered the floor level, took out all these rocks. I mean, it was a lot of work. Jacked up the back corner of the barn, redid the foundation and the bottom parts of the walls. We laid 3 inches of gravel, put a vapor barrier, and they just put in about another 4 inches of cement on top of it. And finally, it's done. The classroom is ready for use, and that means we can do a lot of other things we've been waiting to do. So once we move the classroom tables back here, it'll open up more space in Janet's studio to put the rest of her studio in there so she can actually be in there full time with her wheel and her hand building table and her sales section, display section. And then that opens up some rooms in our house, and it's a great thing that we're finally at this place. So we're excited. It was a lot of work, but it was well worth it, and now we're on to the next job. Wow, that looks amazing. What a difference a week makes. Well, it was much more than a week because it took us a lot longer to do the work than it did for us to show it to you. But we're so excited about it, and we're going to end this exciting barn raising week with a special guest tomorrow, Sunday, August 11th. So here is a clip of what you're going to see tomorrow.
And I believe I was about 6 or 7 years old when Charlie Wyman, who owned this barn and had milking cows, taught me how to milk a cow. Charlie milked his cows in the space behind me.
Thanks so much for joining us again today for the Old Barn on Ann Street. This has been Barn Raising Week. I hope you've enjoyed it. And now we're back to our regular schedule, so we'll see you next Sunday. So why not click on that portrait of the barn, become a regular subscriber, and you won't ever miss another exciting episode. We'll see you next week.